What's inside Ronaldo's $47 million property? Cristiano is arguably one of the best football players this great sport has ever graced. The only athlete in football to reach such a zenith in his career, this could be none other than the King of Hearts, Cristiano Ronaldo. Time and again, he has proved if you have a dream and a desire to fulfill it, then nothing can stop you to become a world player. Currently, he is awarded as the best football player in the world. He's the most popular athlete and also the highest paid player who loves to win each and every title and works hard to achieve his goal. With all the titles and medals Cristiano has achieved, he deserves the best of the luxuries one could have. Every asset he owns is a result of his sweat and hard work over the years. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is around $490 million US. This is his amazing residence of Madeira in Portugal. Ronaldo, with his Mrs. Georgina Rodriguez, the kids, Mom Dolores, and brother Hugo, live together at the Manchester Star's incredible home in Madeira. The 7-story mansion in Funchal, where Ronaldo is originally from, was finally finished in 2019. Ronaldo splashed around $9.5 million US to recover the dream home, with Georgina smitten by its incredible sea view, as well as its amenities including 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools, a jacuzzi, and a football pitch. In 2015, Ronaldo bought the building near the luxury Savoy Hotel and located at the entrance of the port of Funchal. Before that, it was the warehouse where the local Madeira newspaper was based. The building also housed a famous nightclub called Club Noir over the years, but Ronaldo was adamant that he would turn it into a dream property. In 2019, when work was finally completed, he moved in with his mom and brother Hugo, who also manages his nearby CR7 museum. There are 4 floors above ground, with the top 2 taken by Ronaldo, Georgina, and their brood. On the roof is located one of the swimming pools, which Ronaldo was snapped enjoying during quarantine by one of its several terraces. There are 2 gyms, which Ronaldo has been using extensively to sculpt his chiseled abs. A small football pitch is located in the mansion where Ronaldo and Jr. have kickabout sessions. Ronaldo is a fan of cryotherapy, where the body is subjected to temperatures as low as -264 degrees Fahrenheit to help muscles recover and elevate alertness. For this, he had a cryo chamber worth almost $50,000 installed in his home. When Ronaldo's partner Georgina Rodriguez saw the sea view that the property offered, she fell in love with the romantic getaway. Although it doesn't seem to be very private, the view of the Atlantic Ocean from the rooftop pool is stunning. Overlooking the cruise port of Funchal, the scenic landscape and sea air certainly beat where the Ronaldo family resides in Turin for peace and comfort. While in quarantine during the coronavirus crisis, Georgina has taken to Instagram to show off the view too, and no one can blame her. With close proximity to his 48-room luxury hotel, the Pestana CR7, it is a good spot to keep on top of his business interests. Ronaldo has never forgotten his roots, recently supplying Madeira hospitals with ventilators and equipment during the coronavirus crisis. So, of course, he's built his own castle there. However, the Madeira home forms just a small part of a $47 million property portfolio owned by Ronaldo, which also includes a home in his club's hometown of Turin in Italy, an apartment in the New York City's Trump Tower, and a pad in Spain's La Finca, where he lived during his days at Real Madrid. Ronaldo also has a huge car collection. Some of the best cars include a Maserati, Audi R8, Bentley Continental, Bugatti Veyron, Porsche 911, Rolls-Royce, and Lamborghini. He owns his own yacht and a private plane too. Everyone has got some little secrets or truths about their life, but when it is about our favorite person, we develop a keen interest in going through the pages of our favorite person's life book. We hope we've given you the brief yet attention-grasping insights from Cristiano Ronaldo's life. Do you think Cristiano Ronaldo is the biggest star any sport has ever created? Do let us know below. Hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button. Subscribe to Luxus for more luxury updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.